little sharks went out to play in the wavy water on a sunny day. One little shark swam far away. Now four little sharks want to say, chomp, 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 little sharks, clap along. Hey, splish, splash, splash, sing the counting song. 1, 2, 3, 4, turn around and dive. Chomp, chomp, chomp. We had 5. 4 little sharks did a spinning trick. Round and round they went so quick. One little shark took a sleepy glide. Now 3 little sharks side by side. Chomp, 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 little sharks, clap along. Hey, splish, splash, splash, sing the counting song. 1, 2, 3, 4, turn around and dive. Chomp, chomp, chomp. We had 5. 3 little sharks played hide and seek, peeking from the bubbles when they take a peek. One little shark hid way down low. Now 2 little sharks in a row. Help! 2 little sharks like to chase and race, zooming through the water in a silly pace. One little shark waved bye-bye. Now 1 little shark in the sky blue tide. One little shark felt all alone, swam back home to the coral stone. Guess who was waiting, safe and alive? 1, 2, 3, 4, all make 5. Yay! Chomp, 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 little sharks, clap along. Hey, splish, splash, splash, sing the counting song. 1, 2, 3, 4, everybody dive. Chomp, chomp, chomp. We had 5. 5 little sharks all say hooray, swishing happy tails at the end of the day.